What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? AJ Good here at the House of Masks with yet another Michael Myers mask unboxing. Surprise! Today's video will probably be pretty quick because I don't have a lot to say about this mask. It is the Halloween H20 mask. Not my favorite movie, not my favorite mask, not my favorite anything from the series, although it's not my least favorite of any sort. But before we get into that, I want to ask you guys today's question, and today's question is, what are your expectations for Halloween 2018? Are you into it? Are you not into it? Do you think it's going to be good, bad? What are your thoughts? Let me know down below. Most of you guys know that I am very, very excited for it. I think that this is the movie that we have all been waiting for, and I can't wait to see it. So let me know down below, what are your expectations for the movie? So we're just going to go ahead and unbox this. I got this from Creepy Masks on eBay. Basically, it's a Trick or Treat Studios that was rehauled. I think he replaced the hair and repainted it and did some minor detail work. So we're going to go ahead and open it up and take a look at it. So here we have it. Still got the tag on it and everything. And there we go. I saw pictures of this, but actually seeing it in person, it looks even better than I thought, which is awesome because I thought it looked good online. But yeah, like I said, Trick or Treat Studios. This is based on the Winston, or the hero, that was used in the movie. If you guys are familiar with the H20 and the amount of masks they use, it was kind of ridiculous. I think there was 4 separate masks. Why they did that, I have no fucking idea. It just sounds like a lot of people were in charge of a lot of different things and nobody actually knew what was going on. This is hands down the best that was used in the movie, and personally, I think this is probably the closest to the original 1978 Myers in the series, aside from 1981. Which is the same exact mask. But sculpturally, this is definitely the closest, arguably with H4, but all in all, with the finish and everything, this one definitely looks more like Halloween 1. But like I said, not my favorite mask, not my favorite movie. It wasn't good, but it wasn't bad. It was just kind of there. I think it's okay as a placeholder for the 20th anniversary, but I don't think it's gonna hold a candle to the 40th anniversary movie. So yeah, like I said, Creepy Masks on eBay, rehauled and refinished this Trick or Treat Studios, and you can pretty much do whatever you want with a Trick or Treat Studios mask. As long as the sculpt is good, it can always be repainted and rehaired, and that's exactly what this is. So it's a good example. You can get any of their other Myers masks and pretty much rehaul it into something awesome. Just takes a little bit of time and work, and I'm not the guy for that, so I go to other people, and this is one of them. So that is that. I am going to go ahead and throw it on display and give you guys a nice look at it, and we will go from there. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and we will see you later.